friends, today we will be learning how to change the unit system, how to convert millimeter to feet and inch and feet inch to millimeter, and what are difficulties we will be facing. Sometimes we face a few difficulties while changing the units. So let's start. We will be also learning how, if I face some difficulties while changing the unit system, how to change that. Okay, here I'm just drawing a line with 100 mm dimension. Okay, now press F8 to make the line straight, and here I have here I have mentioned 100 mm, and now click on enter. Okay, to finish the command just press escape. Fine. Now check whether this line is 100 mm or not. It is 1:1 scale, and click here and click here. See. For better visibility, I am changing the dimensions color. Here I have not used any layer. Basically, we have to use all the dimension in another layer, but here I am just using some color. Okay, now I'll be changing this into the feet and inch. So let's start and let's see how to change it. So first, for that, press even enter. Even means in here, see, here it's written drawing units, that means unit system. Here many types of unit system are provided, but we will be only using, if you use millimeter, then we have to use decimal, and if you have to use feet and architecture, means feet and inch, then we have to use architectural. From the architectural, here you have to use precision. I am not using any other precision, it's by default precision, and here it's written unit to scale insert content. That means you have to select the smaller scale. So in feet and inch, you have to use only inches. Okay, so in the architectural we will be using inches, and then press OK. Now we will be checking whether the millimeter has converted or not. Let's take out that L enter, specify the first point. I have already made the F8 on, and then I have given 5 inches, and then 5 inches and 5 feet and 4 inches. Sorry, and then okay, and then press escape to come out from the present command. And now go to dimension and check whether, see, in this case it is not changed. That means it is not, already we have given the value as 5 feet and 4 inches, but here this dimension has already been converted into millimeter. This problem may happen. So how to resolve this problem? So first, for that you have to use even enter, and then from here you have to select architectural. Again same, everything will be same, feet and inch. Inch is a smaller dimension, so I have to use inch, and then press OK. Now fine, and then press D enter. And from D, after pressing the D enter, see, dimension styling manager will be open, and once it is open, then you click on modify. Once the modification, after clicking the modify command, from here you have to select primary unit. From the primary unit, here again you have to select architecture. Okay, and then press OK, and always press set current. Here click on set current, and then close, and now see, it is converted into 5 feet and 4 inch. Sorry, 5 feet and 4 inch. Again I am telling, I have not made this drawing in any layer. It it is everything 0 here. I have just put the color. So I'm just selecting the dimension, and from here from the property I'm just changing the color of my choice. Okay, now see, it is 5 feet and 4 inches. Now again, if you have to change this into the see this dimension I have taken as a 100, but it has converted into architectural unit, that means feet inch. Now if I have to again convert it into the millimeter, then D enter and again go to set query. Go to modification. Go to modification. From the modification, here you have to click primary unit. From the primary unit, you have to select dimension. Okay, this is precision, means after point how many digit you want. I want okay fine, only 1 digit, means after point I am just looking for a 1 digit, and then okay and set current and also fine. Now again see, again you have to press even enter, and here also you have to convert the same unit, that means decimal, and from the precision after point I want 1 digit, so I am taking after point 1 0, and from here use millimeter because millimeter is the smaller unit. Okay, and then now see, if you like L enter, you press L and then again F8 on, and now I am pressing 100 mm. Okay, and then see, after and to come out from the present command, just press escape, and then from here check whether this is 100 or not. Let's check, and then this is, see, now this is 100. Okay, fine. In this way you can convert millimeter to architectural unit, that is feet, and from the feet to millimeter. Thank you. Hopefully this video is helpful to you. If you want more such more content, then you can directly contact us.